Jopuonj mag interns e skunde ma junior secondary e kaunti ma Elgeyo Marakwet obwogo weyo dok puonjo koyaw sikunde higa manyien ponono ni piny owacho kochopo singo mandikogi e yo mongirore. Kotelnegi kod jagoro maduong' mar Kuppet bade ma Elgeyo Marakwet Paul Biwott, jopuonjgo wacho ni ok gibi dok e skunde higa manyien ka ok ochop dwaro margi. Kwayogi maduong' en ni mondo jopuonj mag interns e skunde mag JSS mane nitiere orak mondo ndiki e yo mongirore kendo gikwayo jatend piny William Ruto mondo los wachno.
Interns signed a 1-year contract, not 2 years. We are requesting His Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, our President, that kindly confirm our serving interns. They are not in any training. They are fully qualified and trained as teachers.
Our teachers are mainly experiencing, they are wallowing in miasma of confusion. They don't know their future career pathways. They don't know where their future lies in terms of progression in career. And therefore, all problems that are emanating within junior school, it means we need autonomy of junior school. Autonomy power. Autonomy power. Yes.
Our interns signed a 1-year contract. And what we are saying is that let them be confirmed. We have heard that in our Vision 2030, science takes the cornerstone. And most of these intern teachers are our science teachers.
Mambo ya autonomy, walimu wapelekwe waende wakasimamie wenzao, kwa sababu ni watu ambao wamefikia kiwango hicho cha elimu yenye hao watu wa JSS.